In this chapter, we are going to talk to the contract, and we already initialized the Web3.js with MetaMask Web3 providers. And so there are two things that you need to talk to your contract, and one is the address and the other is the API. And after you finish writing your smart contract, you will compile it and deploy the Ethereum, and it will going to cover the deployment in next lessons. But since that's quite a different process for from writing code, we've decided to go out of order and cover the Web3.js first. So if you recall the lesson to the address of the CryptoKitties contracts on the Ethereum mainnet is like this, and you will need to copy this address after deploying in order to talk to your smart contract. So you can see in the test, you just need to use your contract address, and actually this need to replace with the smart contract address. And the other thing is the API. So what is API? And this is stand for Application Binary Interface, and it also a representations of your contract methods in JSON format that tell Web3.js how to format the function call in a way that your contract will understand. And when you compile your contract to deploy the Ethereum, it will give you an API like this, and then you need to copy and save in additional to the contract address. Since we haven't covered deployment, so we compile the API for you, and it is the cryptozombie.api_api.js, and stored in a variable called cryptozombies API. So if we include this in the project, we will able to access the cryptozombie API using the variable. So once your contract address and API, you have the contract address and API, you can instead instantiate using this statement. So now we can go to the test and go to the heading, and we have to include this API. So we have to copy this and paste to here, and then we replace the name. And at the beginning of the script tag, we have to declare a variable called cryptozombie, but don't set it equal to anything. And next, create a function named start app, and we will fill in the body in the next two steps. So we type function start app, and then the first thing the start app should do is to declare a variable named cryptozombie address, but this time we just use the string to replace the real address. And then the next thing is to set the cryptozombie is equal to, so actually this is using this line, so we will copy and paste to here, and then we copy this and replace this. So the cryptozombie is equal to new web3.js.ethereum.contract, and then using the cryptozombie API and also the cryptozombie address, and then we check answer. Because we already have the var, so we do not need this. So we try again.